In Candyland where dreams come true, the skies are pink and rivers are blue. Let's count the sweets from 1 to 10 and meet some yummy sugar friends.
One gumdrop danced upon a hill, so round and red it bounced until 2 cupcakes joined with sprinkles bright, spinning slowly in the light.
3 lollipops spun with cheer, each one singing loud and clear. 4 jellybeans rolled in a race, laughing hard at candy pace.
5 tall chocolates marched in a row, wearing hats of melted snow.
6 marshmallows, soft and white, played hide and seek till late at night.
7 licorice ropes swung side to side,
as 8 gum bears took a slide. 9 cookies danced in sugar shoes, grooving to the candy blues.
10 candy canes stood proud and tall, waving sweetly to them all.
So next time when you count your treat, just think of friends so fun and sweet.